Express Ticketing is a ticketing platform that uses an asset ID and state or county geocode information to provide users the ability to create incident tickets and track their status. When a user creates an incident ticket in Express Ticketing, a 6-digit PIN is then sent to the Incident Originator, which provides ticket log access as if the user was in a fully authenticated environment. By inputting the ticket number, geographic location, and PIN information, the user has a richer set of features in ticket status, including superior log notes, incident status subscriptions, and an option to add attachments. After the initial trouble ticket is successfully created, 2 ticket confirmation emails are sent. The first email is the trouble ticket confirmation message. The second email is the incident status PIN message, which includes your 6-digit PIN to be used for access to Express Ticketing. PIN authentication mitigates the need for manual incident management that before now required a call to an AT&T Help Desk. In addition to viewing notes, users can communicate with AT&T by adding notes, requesting escalations, close tickets when needed, initiate a chat request, and more. Now, Express Ticketing with PIN authentication allows for an improved customer service experience, which should result in improved customer satisfaction. This feature enhances the self-diagnosis process and provides access to quicker status. So why self-diagnose? Customers self-diagnose with a desire to identify and/or resolve a service incident on their own without having to call an AT&T Help Desk. How do I take advantage of this easy feature, you may ask? Simply visit expressticketing.acss.att.com. The incident status self-diagnosis, along with the PIN authentication feature, puts a valuable tool in your hands that will help analyze your service status without delay. Your complete satisfaction is what we want above all else. We value your business and thank you for it.